here's Jbl Headphones app. You can just tap get to install it. So just double click to install in here, and yeah, personalize headphones, customize noise cancelling, optimize experiences, relax sound, adjust equalizer, control gesture. So, if you like Jbl headphones, there are some really good models. I have Jbl headphones and I have Sony. So it just depends on what you like. But yeah, Jbl Headphones app redefines your headphones experience. Through your mobile device, you can now conveniently control the headphone settings, smart ambient, noise cancel, and many more in your Jbl Headphones app. You can see the supported models, the full list in here. So there are also equalizer settings. There are also different noise cancelling levels, smart audio and video application settings, gestures, headphone battery indicator, and then yeah, you can just open it up. You can use Bluetooth, you can allow notifications. So then yeah, you can just tap to get started, you can accept, you can turn on Bluetooth. So okay, let's try to do it just to show you how it works. So you just set it up, and then you need to add your product. Supported devices, you just see here all of these devices. Yeah, just just enter in, tapping in here, and then you just connect them and start the pairing process. So yeah, that's basically the idea how you can start it over, and that's what it is.